Hello, and welcome to another update video on silver. So the price is still fighting with this resistance area we specified in the last update, right? So you remember probably this level here, around $40.84, the level I highlighted as important resistance and pivot, where a sustained break above this will make a high B wave far less likely. I would not call what we have here a decisive break above $40.84. Yeah, we are holding above it, but you see the price broke above, dipped below, broke above, came down sharply again, and now we're kind of dancing around this resistance level. That is not a break of resistance. Surely you might say, hey, maybe it is, but even if we have broken briefly above this resistance level, this is not like an invalidation point for a B wave, okay? B waves technically don't have invalidation points unless we really have a clear 5-wave move up. For me, this is still a 3-wave move to the upside at the moment from this swing low that formed there in July. So it can still be the orange scenario, which means we have an A wave to the downside, we just have a high overshooting B wave, and we could come down in a C wave now. However, as you can see, I have already marked this with a question mark. So for me, this is not the most probable scenario. Either way, we have a support area in the way that we can track first. So as per previous updates, as long as we're holding in a pullback now the $39.14 level, I would call this pullback an internal fourth wave, which means, look, we have from this swing low in July where we completed a larger degree fourth wave, we have started the fifth wave, and this is a wave 1. We had the wave 2. We are possibly now in the late stages of this third wave. Maybe this third wave already topped. That was kind of what we talked about in the last video. Still the case, still my view that we could have topped there in the third wave. And then we can watch and monitor, of course, this resistance area, which is independent from the 1.38 retracement level here, which is relevant for the orange B wave. This resistance area here between $40.80 and $41.22, which I shared with you a couple of days ago, is relevant here for the internal B wave. Now, we had a move down, had a move up, did not break above the previous high. The move down looked like a micro 5-wave move down, so we were watching for a B wave bounce. The bounce remained a 3-wave move, clearly. So it is still my view that we could be working on this 4th wave pullback internally. But the price just simply broke briefly above the 78.6 fib level. That is not a problem for a B wave. B wave sometimes can even overshoot. In fact, it reacted to the 88.7 retracement. Remember, there was a lot of volatility on Friday and Thursday, actually, due to the all the data that was released. Like, it was quite a volatile and meaningful week. If we now enter the new week and we break below the internal B wave low in yellow here off the B wave, then this could mark this could be a confirmation. Let's rather say it like that. The confirmation that we are moving down in this C wave of wave 4. And it would take a break below $40.55 to confirm further that we're actually in wave C of 4. And then the focus will shift to $40.37 and $39.68. But it can technically go all the way down to $39.14 if needed. That would be quite deep, however, for a 4th wave already in this context. But for now, it appears to me that this wave 4 is actually unfolding. So you now know all the levels. Overall, the focus is on higher prices with the potential of a bit of a pullback into the support area maybe early next week. That's the update on silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in stocks and the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, but also additional updates on silver, feel free to check out our stocks membership. The link is in the description. It's the Patreon link. Thanks so much. I wish you a great weekend, great start to the week as well. If you, if we don't see each other in the live stream on Sunday, our crypto live stream, then I wish you a great start to the new week already. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.